nth term of an AP. The problems related to this topic are from the exercise 6.2, where on the screen you can see 4 variables A, D, N and AN. These are the variables which represent the first term, common difference and nth term of the given AP. Here, when the values are given of 3 variables, you need to find the value of the 4th variable. Now, when you consider the first problem, we have the data A as 7, D 3 and N is equal to 8. The second step is to identify the formula, that is nth term formula, where you have to substitute the values of the variables that are given. So here, when you write the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, you have to substitute the values a as 7, n as 8 and d as 3. Then when you calculate the value of an, you get it as 28. Here, for the given data, you have the value of an as 28. Now, coming to the next sum, we have a as minus 18, an as 0 and n as 10. That is, the 10th term of the given AP is 0. Now, you need to find the value of common difference, that is D. So, substitute the values given in the formula identified as an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. You have, after calculation, the value of D as 2. That is, for the given data, common difference is 2. Substituting the values of A, N and AN, we get the common difference as 2 here. That is, the 10th term is 0, common difference is 2 and first term is minus 18. Now coming on to the next one, we have A as minus 18.9, AN as 3.6 and common difference as 2.5. And the second step, write the formula, and in the third step you have to substitute the values of the variables that are given in the formula so that you get the required value, that is the value of n. So here what we have done, an is taken as 3.6, a as minus 18.9, d as 2.5 and after calculation we got the value of n as 10. That is, the 10th term of the AP is 3.6, where a is minus 18.9 and D is 2.5. Now coming on to the next one, here we need to find the 30th term of the AP which is given here. That is, A is considered as 10 and we need to find the common difference by the formula A2 minus A1, which will be equal to 7 minus 10, which results in minus 3. That is, the common difference is considered as minus 3. And the 30th term, so the value of n will be 30. So the formula required is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then after substituting the given values in the formula and calculating, you get the value of A30, that is nth term which is needed to be found as minus 77. How did you get this one? Calculate and find out. Okay. Now coming on to the next one, we have A is equal to minus 3 and we need to find the value of common difference by subtracting the first term from the second term. That is, minus half minus of minus 3 will give you 3 minus half, which is equal to 5 by 2. Now you need to find the value of the 11th term, that is A11, because n is given as 11 here. So identify the formula in the second step, and in the third step you have to substitute the values of the variables given, and in the fourth step you have to calculate the value of 11th term, and the result is 22 here. That is, for the data given, you have the 11th term as 22, where A is minus 3, D is 2.5. Coming on to the third sum, A1 is given as 2, A3 is given as 26, and we need to find the value of A2 for the AP. So in the step 1, you have to identify the data that is given, that is A1 value and A3 value. Then in the step 2, you have to identify the formula that you have to use. Here you have the general form of AP as well as the nth term of AP. So whichever is suitable, you have to consider that one. That is, in the step 1, that is where we have found the we have identified the values of the variables. In the third step, we have to substitute the values of those variables in the formula identified. That is, A3 is given as 26. So we are writing the formula of A3, A plus 2D. And then when you substitute the value of A in this formula, you get the value of D as 12. And in step 4, you have to find the value of A2. A2 is given in AP as A plus D, which will be equal to 2 plus 12. So the value of A2 is 14. Next step, you have to identify the data given in the first step, that is A2 is equal to 13, A4 is equal to 3. Then identify the formula required in step 2, and in step 3 you have to substitute the values of the variables here. That is, first consider the formula of A2, which is equal to A plus D, which is equal to 13. Then consider the formula for A4, which is equal to A plus 3D, which is equal to 3. Then subtract the equations. You have minus 2D is equal to 10. That is, A and A will get cancelled when you subtract equation 2 from 1. So then when you get the value as minus 5, you have to substitute the value of D in A2. That is, A plus D is equal to 13. In the place of D, when you substitute the value of minus 5, you get A1 as 18. Then in step 5, substitute both the values of A1 and D so that you get the value of A3, which is equal to A plus 2D, that is 18 minus 10, which is equal to 8. So in this way, you can find the values of A1 and A3 when A2 and A4 values are given. Hope you followed. Thank you.